Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a staycation vlog which is in ITC Maratha, my first experience in ITC Maratha hotel in Mumbai. So ये स्टे के लिए मैंने सिर्फ अपने इंटरमाइल्स रिडीम किए थे, so I didn't have to pay a single penny, but I'll be giving every tariff detail and everything in the description below, so do check that out. And in this video I'll be covering the room tour, the breakfast buffet which is outstanding, then other restaurants also, a la carte अगर आपको order करना हो तो in-house restaurants and a lot more. So keep watching this video till the end and let's get started. This is the main reception area. This is what you see when you enter the hotel. और यहाँ पे इन हाउस बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू ओनली कम फॉर लंच या डिनर, जैसे हम रात को अभी डिनर के लिए विल बी गोइंग योर ओनली इन हाउस, एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ कैफ़ेज ऑल्सो. सो इफ़ नॉट फॉर स्टेइंग ओवर योर, यू कैन जस्ट कम फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच और एनीथिंग. Breakfast buffet also is very reasonably priced. Now we'll be going in a room which is on the 19th floor, and they take such good care of the sanitation and everything that lift ke button bhi you have to only point towards the floor that you want to go and it will automatically take you there. You don't have to even press the button. So this room is on the 19th floor, 1916, and the best part about this room is, do you know what that is? Wait for it. So this is the entrance of the room, and the most important thing is the bathroom, and of course it does have a bathtub, which is my first priority all the time. It does have a bathtub, and oh great, there's a hair dryer too. Amazing. Now let's get to the main part, which is the room. Let's just take this time to sink it in. It's so beautiful and literally very spacious. You have a TV as well, and सबसे important, let's just see how the view is. Whoa, just look at the view. It's so good. You can see a metro going over there, and you can also see the first 3 floors of ITC and this whole lawn area and the dome, which is super beautiful. At night, I can't wait to see this at night. It's going to look even more pretty. Also, the room is very spacious and beautiful, completely sanitized. You have the logo and everything, literally. And you also have this kettle, so you can make chai, coffee, green tea, whatever you want. And I'm going to do something very soon. I really want to have this coffee while I have a bathtub bath. So I'm going to do that. And this is a really cute wooden coat stand, and you have these really cute drawers over here. You can also hang your clothes, whatever coat या कुछ भी है. Now to order food, you can of course, because of sanitization and everything, you have to just scan the barcode and you can order online. All the hotel services and everything are here. Laundry से लेके सब कुछ है. So literally, or you can either call room service as well, and you can order food or anything that you want. Now I'm literally waiting for this. So I ordered like this foaming bath. I actually ordered like 3 to 4 of these, and I'm going to fill my bathtub with this. They also have shampoos and conditioners which are of really good quality, and I'm going to take my tea and I'm going to have a bath. Now if you have any occasion जैसे birthday, anniversary जो भी है, so in our case it was an anniversary, so we got a complimentary cake from the hotel, which was a really sweet gesture. We also got a apple and some fruits in general in this cake, and really amazing. And yeah, eat your cakes, have your coffee, and enjoy the bathtub. Bye bye. for dinner, we are in the Shanghai Club, which is an in-house restaurant in ITC Maratha. This is not a buffet place. You can order a la carte over here, and of course Chinese. So for dinner we ordered this butter chili prawn soup 1/2. I will attach the menu cards just in case you want to check the pricing, but you can also check the rest of the menu online. And in rice we ordered this bohe yakai chow fan rice, which is a vegetarian rice, and in gravy we ordered the braised red snapper and black mushroom chili sauce gravy. And this was a chicken gravy, and you had a lot of veggies that come by side as well, sauteed veggies and salad, and amazing food. And this is how the view looks at night. Much better than day also. Incredibly beautiful. I don't think the camera is even doing justice to how pretty this looks. And now comes my most favorite part, which is buffet breakfast with of course a view, and there's a lot of insane variety. South Indian food, idli, dosa, poha, upma, then sausages, bacon, pancakes, French toast, what not. How delicious do these pancakes look with my chocolate syrup on top, and sausages, bacon, French toast. You also have your South Indian variety, khandvi, sambar, watermelon juice. In desserts you have donuts, chocolate croissants, and different types of bread, banana breads, corn bread, carrot cake, etc, etc. There is no end to it. And how stunning is this view? It's absolutely amazing. And you can also come for breakfast even if you don't stay. You can only come for breakfast as well. And the spread is absolutely large, and the view is amazing. Especially the dosas, you have an amazing variety of dosas. This is masala dosa with cheese. Look at how crispy and soft that is at the same time. The taste is too good. And we are checking out right now. So, and now seeing this view one last time, and we are going to be checking out now, but don't stop this video because we'll be visiting the 30th floor as well right now. So let's just sink this view in one last time and say bye bye to the room. Of course it's going to be a mess. So bye bye room, we're going. This is the veranda area, and we are now going on the 30th floor. So this is another chilling area where you can actually come for dining or coffee or anything. You have this in-house brand Fabel chocolates. I've never tried these chocolates, but definitely look amazing, and you can also give these to people or whatever. Then you can actually see this entire this is the other side of the hotel. So amazing view here as well. There's a swimming pool and a lot of lawn areas for some reason. And I think there are residential areas on the other side of ITC Maratha. And I think this area is mostly for if you just want to have coffee or drinks. And this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you have any suggestions about this video, and if you enjoyed this video in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye.